Now, we are going to discuss some more questions based on our topic perimeter area under the heading of rectangle and square. So let's start some more questions. This will take 3 videos to cover area some about rectangle and square. Then we discuss about path and then about parallelograms. Means in class 7 we discuss only about your quadrilaterals and some questions of quadrilaterals and circle combination of quadrilateral circles and circles. So let's discuss. Next question is, a person walk at the rate of 4 km per hour. So here speed is given to you 4 km per hour speed is given. Clear? Then how long will he take to go round a square park 5 times, whose area is given? He 5 times. First area of square is given. Area of square. It is given 2500 meter square. Clear? And he take around 5 times. 5 times. Question asked you time. Now, how? So first, in this type of question, again I am reading the question. A person walks at the rate of 4 km per hour, that is speed. How long will he take? Time. How long will he take to go round a square park 5 times if area of the square is 2500 meter square? So first we have to find out the perimeter of the square. So for finding the perimeter we need the side. We know that side of square equals to under root area. Here under root 2500, so it's near about 50 meter. So what is the perimeter of square? Four into side, it's a 4 into 50, near about 200 meter. This is the perimeter of a square, and he covered this distance in 1 round. He take 5 rounds to total distance covered by the person. Total distance covered by the person we write over this side. Equals to 5 into it's a 200 meter. We have to cross this boundary, equal to sign. It's near about 1000 meter, though speed is in kilometer, so it will convert into kilometer. 1 kilometer. Clear? Total distance is your 1 kilometer. Hope this thing is clear to you. Now question asked you time, so therefore time equals to distance. As you know, distance upon time equals to speed, so speed time equals to distance upon speed. What is distance? 1 kilometer. Speed is your 4 km per hour. It means 1 upon 4 hour, or if you wish you can convert 60 upon 4, it's a 15 minute. Clear? So this is one of the question. Now next question is, perimeter of a rectangle is given to you, and it is also given that length is 3 times the width. Find the area of rectangle. Easiest question. Here it is given perimeter of rectangle. it is given to you, it's near about 70, not near about, it's exactly 72 centimeters. Sometimes I use the word near about. And it's given that length is 3 times the width, means length, it is given a length is 3 times the width, and 3 into breadth. Though it's the solution part, we start to solve. Let we always suppose the smallest part. So here this one is smallest. Breadth equals to x. So length equals to 3x. Perimeter equals to 2 into length plus breadth. And here perimeter is your 72 centimeter equals to 2 length plus breadth, 3x plus x. So 2 into 4x, 72. Use implies that sign need not to forgot. So 72 upon 2, and this 4 comes this side. This is your x. When we try to remove, 4 1 ja, 4 8 ja, 2 9 ja. So x equals to 9. Length equals to, and breadth equals to, I think you can easily find out. Now you are in class 7. It's 3x means 3 into 20, sorry, not 27, 9. It's a 27 meter, sorry, centimeter is given, and x, it is 9 centimeter. Clear? So this is your solution. Now we discuss one more question. Now next question is very interesting one, a very practical question. It's given that a farm is, some length is given and breadth is given. Find the cost of manuring the farm at rupees 4,450 per quintal if 2 quintals of manure has to be applied per hectare. So what is given to you? First to note down, it's given that length of farm, you know the length is given, breadth is given, this part is given to you. Clear? And cost of manuring given. Cost of manuring given to you. Amount of, it's also amount of manure per hectare. Amount of manure per hectare is given. Amount of manure per hectare is given. These 3 parts are given and you have to solve the question. So let's start. What is the length? Length 380 by 100 means 380 meter length is given. Breadth is your 100 meter. Cost of manuring, it's a rupees 450 per quintal. 450 per quintal. Clear? And amount of manure required is 2 quintal per hectare. Per hectare. These things are given to you. We use these 4 things to solve the question. Question asks to you that find the cost, total cost. So first we have to find out the area, because area is required. Hectare is the unit of area, and as we know, in 1 hectare we have 10,000 meters square. So area equals to length into breadth. We can use 380 into 100. It's a 3 times 0, and this is your meter square. We are going to convert into hectare. We divide this by 10,000. Now we have hectare. This is 3 cuts, 3.8 hectare. Clear? 3.8 hectare. Now next part is this side. We know the area, and as we know the amount of manure 2 quintal in 1 hectare, so amount of manure in 3.8 hectare, amount of manure equals to area into 2, that is your 3.8 into 2, it's a 2 8 just 16, 7.6 quintal. 7.6 quintal amount of manure, 7.6 quintal. And cost of manure, the final solution, total cost of manure equals to 7.6 into 450, 0. Okay, when we multiply what we have, so in rough we can multiply, this is a very long digit. Zero. It's near about, and there is one decimal. So near about rupees 3420. It's near about not near about, exactly 3,420 rupees. This is your rough work. So this is the solution. Hope this thing is clear to you. You can see 2 times because question is very interesting and confusing. So you must see the solution at least 2 times. Now one more interesting question we have. This is the length of a rectangle is 20% more than its breadth. Very interesting question. All questions are interesting. 20% more than breadth. This is given. This is given to you, 20% more than breadth. I think your writing is a little bit smaller. Okay, next time I will use to increase my length font. This time it's a smaller one. Okay. Then what will be the ratio of the area of rectangle to that of a square whose side is equal to the breadth of rectangle? So first find out the length and breadth, then we discuss afterwards. Let, not length, always breadth. Breadth equals to x. So length equals to 20% more than the breadth. So x plus x into 20%, 100. It's near about 10x, 12x upon 10. Or we can write down it's a 6x upon 5. What? Clear? This is length. And the question says that area of rectangle. So area equals to length into breadth. I'm talking about rectangle. So length, it's a 6x upon 5 into x. It's a 6x square upon 5 square unit, whatever it is. Now area, it is about rectangle. Now if we discuss about breadth, square, so ink is going fade, square, then what we have, we are going to find out the area of square. So what is the side? Side is equals to breadth. What says that whose side is equal to the breadth of the rectangle? The side equals to x, area equals to x square. Area equals to x square. So ratio, question asked to you ratio. Question says that what will the ratio of area of rectangle to that of square? Means area of rectangle by area of square. So area of rectangle is this one, 6x square upon 5 whole upon x square. When you simplify 6x square upon 5, this will be x square. So ratio is 6 upon 5 or 6:5. This is your solution of this question. Hope you are able to understand this one. So we have more interesting question, but I'm going to solve question number, this in 19, but it's an interesting question. It's about fencing the square field at the 8 and all the things is given. So we have to find out. So we'll start some interesting question, and two question is the last question. All these two questions are the last question of this video. It cost rupees 8704 to fence a square field. So what is the cost? Cost of fencing, we can say. Cost of fencing, it's a rupees 8704. Clear? And what is the rate? Rate is 8.50 per sign up per meter. Okay, use the word per meter. Clear? It's a square field. So from this, we can find out the perimeter. Equals to cost, that is 8704 by rate 8.50. So we'll try to solve. And it's 85010 cancel. We have 85, 5 2s, 5 7 17 ja. Yes, 17. 17 5s, 85, 20, 17 1s, 20 minus 17, it's a 3, 17 2s, 34. It's a 512 into 2 meter. but this is the perimeter of the square. So perimeter equals to 4 into side. So therefore we can write side equals to perimeter upon 4. This is the formula. You are able to see this. Now come to this side. What is the perimeter? Perimeter means this part. So side equals to perimeter 512 into 2 upon 4. So we'll try to cancel them. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 8 is 32. 4 1 is 4, 11 is there, 4 2 is 8, 4 8 is 32. It's a 256. It may be in this case meter to 256 meter. I am right. Let's check. 8704 5 2 17 cancels each other. So 256 meter one side. So what is the area? Question asked to you area. Area equals to side square. Now find out the square. So it's 65536 meter square. So this is the solution. Try to find out whether is there any mistake in this solution. If yes, then type yes. If no, then type no mistake in your comment part. That is your today's task. Now today's last question. Now our next question is very interesting and very lengthiest question. So listen very carefully. In this case, room's length, breadth and height is given to you. And question says that the walls are to be distempered, allowing 25 meter square for doors, windows, etc. Find the total area of the distempered. The area of the doors and windows is given, that is not distempered, is 25 meter square. So let's start. In case of room length, I'm writing short. Length equals to 8 meter. Breadth equals to 7.6 meter. Height equals to 3.5 meter. So we have to find out the, remember in this case we have to find out the area of walls and area of roof. So first remember that opposite walls are equal to each other. So your room shape look like this one, na? Suppose this is your length, this is your breadth, and this is your height. So this is your L, this is your height. So area of this wall and same area we have this side, na? Equal. Again we have another two wall. So area of this wall. So these four walls are equal. You can assume that this is your wall. This is your room. Sorry, this is a room. This wall and this wall are equal. This wall and this wall. These two walls equal. These two walls equal. And there is a roof. Roof area we can easily find out by L into B. and walls area you can find out L into H and B into H, finding this one. So let's start. Area of first wall equals to length into height. Clear? And its length is your 8, height is your 3.5. So 8 5s are 40, 4 carry 8, 28.0 meter square. This is the area of first wall, and there are two same type of wall. But wait, area of second wall means the side wall. Area of second wall, it's a breadth into height, because height is always constant. One wall is on length side, one wall is on breadth side. So 7.6 into 3.5, there are two decimals, 35 6 are 210, 0, 21 carry. Okay, this will create confusion. You will confuse, so let me multiply as you are doing. 5 6 are 30, 3 carry, 5 7 35 plus 3 38, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry 22, 0 6 6 2. So 2 6 6 and 0. 20, this one 26.60 meters square. Now total area of wall. This is very important, this line, because you are doing first time this question. Total area means 2 times this type of wall, 2 times this type of wall. Means we can write down 2 into 28 plus 26.60. It's a 2 into, you can write down 8 6 14, 54.60. Clear? Erase this one. 2 into 54.60. This is the area of one side. Now come to the next part. This roof is left. No, roof is not going to distemper. Only the walls are distempered. In question only wall is given. So what is the value? 0 2. 0 2 6 12, 1 carry 2 4 8 1 9, 100, 109.20 meters square. This is the total area. But out of this total area of wall, means this is the total area of all the 4 walls. But it is given that area of door and windows. So area to be distempered equals to 109.20 minus 25. This 20, not 24. So we have 20 as it is. 9 minus 5, it's a 4. 110 minus 2, it's a 8. 84.20 meters square. So that's all for perimeter and area. You have to complete your exercise or first exercise of your book. We'll discuss all the things in next video. That's all for today. Thank you.